How to link a bank account to Klarna. Want to pay directly from your bank? This guide shows you how you can link a bank account to Klarna so you can pay for your purchases from your bank. First, open the Klarna app and go to your settings. From there, tap on Payment Methods. Or on the home page, tap on the plus icon. From here, tap on Payment Methods and you'll see option to add other cards. Tap on it and you can link your bank account. You can scan a QR through your camera. You'll be asked to select your bank from a list. Once you've selected your bank, you'll need to log in with the bank's credentials. This is a secure process and Klarna will not store your bank's credentials. Klarna will then verify your bank account and link it to your account. Once your account is linked, you can use it to pay for your purchases. During checkout, you'll see your bank account as a payment option. You can select it and confirm the payment. It is a great way to pay for your purchases without having to enter your card details every time. You now know how to link a bank account to Klarna. Get ready to pay for your purchases from your bank. Like and subscribe for more finance tips.